Hey, did you know that you can use AI built into the Inriver PIM to seamlessly create and include alternative text to your product imagery? With new accessibility laws in play, this is not just important any longer, but even mandatory in many regions to include these so-called alt text for your product images, which at the same time help with your image search engine optimization. This can often be a manual and time-consuming process to handle, but not any longer with AI built in to support this. Let me show you how this works. The first step is finding the images that needs alternative text. With Inriver's workflows, you can quickly identify which images requires that, save time, and ensuring nothing is missed. Next, we bulk select the all text field and activate Inspire. Using AI vision technology, Inriver analyzes each image and based on crafted prompts, automatically generates accurate and relevant alt text. For global businesses managing localized websites and needs, we can take this one step further. Using Inspire, the alt text can be translated into your specific languages, ensuring consistency and accessibility across every market. I hope this was helpful, and please send us a note or visit inriver.com for more information on this alternative text management or how we further have embedded the latest AI innovations directly into our PIM to help you accelerate your product content without compromising control. Thank you for watching.